Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. I love to cook and I cannot live without good quality spices. This kit from the Spice Lab is amazing. These spices are organic, super top quality, and they taste amazing. You can see the freshness in these spices, but more importantly, you can smell it and you can taste it. They are potent and deliver a big punch of flavor. With all the basics included, you can really make almost any dish. Sometimes when I get spices, they just seem a little bit bland or stale and they don't have a lot of flavor, but that is absolutely not the case with the Spice Lab spices. They are so delicious. They really enhance your food and they really inspire me to want to cook even more because I have so many options to choose from of really high quality and delicious spices. This 30 jar kit would make a perfect gift for somebody who's just learning to cook or someone who loves to cook and really appreciates quality spices. I've been absolutely loving using them to make spice blends, taco seasoning up my meats, veggies, and everything in between. And I've just been absolutely wowed with the quality and the flavor. They really are delicious. Bonus is that all these jars and labels look the same, so your pantry looks super neat, tidy, and organized. Really impressed with this 30 jar kit. I would definitely recommend it to anybody who's looking to add some delicious flavor to their meals. And that is my point of view.